Is there a way that we can just build this to mimic the exact OpenAI and DeepSeek call, but the only difference will be our base URL, just so we can have it uniform to how OpenAI and DeepSeek currently do it? Below is DeepSeek's the way they call things, and it's actually using OpenAI, so they're uniform to
010
OpenAI.
error analyzing focus.
They are uniform to OpenAI, and will be uniform to OpenAI and them as well. If you just update the API calls, so they're exactly like below. So this would be the DeepSeek API here. Accept, save, and DeepSeek local call here. It's just like this here. Perfect. Now let's go to the API here. Copy this and go back to the other one. Paste here. Okay. And then we're gonna start it up, shut it down, shut it back up, run it back up, dude. And then you can see messages role. You are helpful assistant. DeepSeek chat API key not needed. Not needed, dude. Not needed. Okay, so let's try it, dude. Content, build. Let's say update the local call in order to have the content be a prompt that we pass in at the very top. It'll be a constant at the very top. It'll call prompt, and then we can make sure it's super easy to change the prompt for our users. There we go. Say request to Olama. Error. I got the below error. Please fix. So this is in the DeepSeek API that we need to update this. Just go ahead and update it.
Imagine you had everything you wanted, everything. Imagine you were everything you ever wanted to be and capture that feeling. That's the easiest way to manifest what you want.
Taking a little bit of time, huh? Okay, there it is. Sweet, so it works. So you can see here. Um, okay, so I need to explain Bitcoin. Okay, so this shows the thinking here. And then Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates independently of central banks using blockchain technology. Okay, sick, dude. So this works great. So, okay, awesome. Now that I know it works great, let's go ahead and set up ai.moondev.com. And please walk me through that. I'm using Cloudflare. And we're going to point it to this IP address. Also, I noticed it said it was using DeepSeek chat. How do we go ahead and toggle on and off DeepSeek chat versus DeepSeek reasoner? Maybe this. Please put that as a constant at the top and note that they can have DeepSeek chat or reasoner. Actually, I think it confirm if this is wrong, but this model equals DeepSeek chat is fake, right? Because we only have one model that we're running here. It's running on the Lambda, and you see the instructions. They're actually in the top of the DeepSeek API notes section. The instructions, I think this is just running R170B. So I don't know. Yes, I think it's kind of capping. You're absolutely right. We're running the DeepSeek R170B through Olama, so the model name and the API should just be compatible with that. There we go. It's actually the DeepSeek model, not Olama. I think using Olama is very deceiving. I know it handles everything, but have it called DeepSeek R1. Don't need to have the 70B or anything like that. Don't need the Olama anywhere. But remember, we want to keep it the same as we want to keep it the same format